Hi, I'm George the Weather Dad, and we're going to be talking about your upcoming weekend and beyond. And let me tell you, it looks like there's going to be a little bit of a change in our weather scheme in about a week or so, but we'll get to that in here just a minute. But first, let's take a look at your Friday. And Friday's not going to be too bad temperature-wise. We do see some yellows around the area and some darker shades. Remember, yellow reflects normal temperatures, and our normal high right now in the Ohio Valley, right around 70, 71 degrees. So we're going to be right around that on your Friday. But because we have some clouds and rain around the area, you're going to see some spottiness around as far as temperatures are concerned. Now that's on your Friday. Saturday, not too bad. We're going to have less chance of a showers. Could see a few, especially in the morning, but I think most of those are going to be scooting south. So we're going to get some sunshine in here, and that's going to warm temperatures up a little bit above normal for your Saturday. Sunday, I think it's going to be the best day out of the weekend, and we'll have quite a bit of sunshine, and temperatures, again, pretty much in the 70s the way it looks right now. By next Wednesday now, we're going to start seeing a little bit of a change. See a storm system up in Canada. You have some stronger winds coming in, more yellows, and you have more of the reds here in the area. So we could be about normal or maybe even a little bit below normal there on our Wednesday. Look what happens here a week from Saturday now. We get more greens in here. So we got another system coming in. It's going to tap more Canadian air, and that's going to draw some cooler air into the Midwest. Now, how chilly is it going to be? We're going to be below normal. Remember, normals now are in the 70s, so anything really below normal puts us in the 60s as well as 50s. So we could see a very chilly weekend a week from this weekend based on what looks like it's happening right now. As far as precipitation is concerned, Friday across the Midwest is going to be fairly wet. Could see and hear a few thunderstorms. Can't rule out the possibility of a severe thunderstorm, but it's not going to be a wide outbreak here across the Midwest. It's just going to be wet, and we do need the rain. By Saturday, that pushes a little bit more towards the southeast. Very dry down here in the southeast. They need it. You will be getting some on Saturday. We'll be drying out right here in the Midwest. By Sunday, pretty dry. More showers around the southeast, which is good. But here comes that next system is going to get organized. Now remember, this is on Sunday, and it's going to really intensify and kind of take that path, and it could produce some severe weather come Monday and Monday night right here in the Ohio Valley. So really going to have to keep an eye on that time frame as this system continues to move up across the area. And then here on Wednesday, you see the white lines. It's going to be breezy. It's going to be a bit chilly, very stormy as you head towards the east. And then by next Saturday, we have another system coming in, producing more rain, beneficial rains in the southeast, up towards the northeast, and that's going to be pushing its way out. But it's also going to, again, tap more of that Canadian air, and so we're looking for a relatively chilly weekend, a week from this weekend. So a little recap and review. We're looking at this weekend about normal, maybe even a little bit above normal. I think Sunday is going to be your nicest day out of the next three. Looks like your Friday, though, is going to be a little bit on the wet side. I'm George, the Weather Dad.